Good night. My name is Walter Vallejo. Step 4. Understand it negotiation. Problem to negotiate biotechnological products. Problem related to the protection of intellectual property. Commercial exploitation. Stage of development in which a product is found. Projects in early stage. Lack of knowledge in the process of the stage. High value intangibles. Problem related to value technology. Payments in the initial stage of a project are much lower than and final stage. The payments that are made as percentages of sales. Gold payments. Royalties can be fixed or restarted. Problem 2. Negotiation. Individual and collective advantages. Processes require several stages. Each one seeks their own benefit. Confrontational environment, not sense goals. Definition of technology transfer. Technology transfer is a business modality in which the partner wins in technology and the owner ensures a making during the technology transfer period. Advantages of the technology transfer. Agreement is made in which support for the markets can be ensured from the partner facilities, earning in productive capacity and productive standard. Payments are negotiated according to goals or milestones technology determined by the stage of the transfer. Recommendations. Problem related to the protection of intellectual property. Have knowledge of the process of the stage. Problem related to value technology. Payments in the final stage of the project are higher. Problem related to negotiation. Learn about process that require several stages. Thank you.